think even harder too, probably the most disrespected superstars we have in the game.
Yeah, without a doubt. I mean, they Hall of Famers already, and they disrespected them. I mean, that's what you gotta watch out for them, straight up. Yeah.
Thoughts on Battle of LA?
Oh my God, bro!
LeBron,
what the fuck?
AD, PG.
To plug it in and your home is protected around the clock. No technician has to come to your house. Head to simplysafe.com/WTF and get a free HD camera. That's simplysafe.com/WTF. I've been playing some guitar. I've been just pounding at it. It's hard to connect. It's hard to connect. It's hard to connect the feelings that are happening inside of me with things that are coming out of me.